Get your child to listen at the different individual sounds that make up these words, up-ending words. K, a, p, cup. A, p, map. G, a, p, gap. A, p, nap. T, a, p, tap. O, a, p, lap. You have just done phoneme substitution exercises. They basically consist of changing a word into a new word by changing one of its sounds. Phoneme substitution exercises help your child develop phonemic awareness and can actually be quite fun to do. At the end of the exercise, make up a crazy story using all the words that you have used. For example, I was taking a nap, having strange dreams of a woman with a cat on her lap. The woman was wearing a baseball cap. Then I heard water drops coming from a tap, so I woke up. I stepped out of bed, carefully minding the gap not to fall. And to my surprise, I found a treasure map. If you enjoyed this activity, you will love our free activity worksheets based on phonics and phonemic awareness. We have left a link for you on the description of the video. You can download them for free.
If you like this type of content and are looking for resources and information to teach your child to read, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. You will be notified when we publish new videos.